Hello, this is a video that will show you how you can use an app that we have available through the Microsoft 365 suite called Bookings that will allow you to send out a link to families for your SLC conferences that would let them sign up for a conference that fits their schedule. It auto-populates that appointment into your Outlet calendar and also sends reminders to the family and to you before the scheduled appointment. So if you would like to set up your SLC schedule using Bookings, here is what you are going to want to do. So click on your Office 365 suite icon from your launch page. And all of your Microsoft apps are listed on the left-hand side. Bookings was not visible for me, but if I click this very lower left All Apps button, it gives you all the apps alphabetically. Yay for us, Bookings is the first one in the alphabet. So first thing you want to do is click on a new booking here. You want to create a special calendar for your SLC conferences. So I named mine Fergus Advisory Student-Led Conference Signups. You can ignore these service details because we're going to go in and edit these to our particular needs. The one thing you do want to do here is for staff, type in your name because this is what's going to trigger the appointments to go on your calendar. Go ahead and create booking. And then we're going to go in and edit the details. Once you create the booking, your booking shows up here. So make sure that that is selected, highlighted somehow, and you want to click on Manage Services. From this screen, there are two things to notice. So one is this button, Edit Service. This is how you're going to edit your advisory booking. The other one is this link right here. Service booking page is the hot link for your actual sign up. And so it would be really helpful as you go through if you opened that into a tab so you can go back and forth as you play with your settings to make sure what you're intending to do is actually happening in real life. So we're going to go into edit service and we want to move my face and we want to set up basic details. Let's move my face over here. All right. Gave general information here. Sign up for your 8th grader student-led conference. I put 8th grader in because we have a lot of families that don't know who their advisory teachers are. They have multiple students. So I thought any extra context would help the family. A note that before your student should attend, they need to prepare their template so they are ready to go. I'm also going to put in the link right here for the PowerPoint template. Just any other opportunity to get that information out. Put in the location of your Zoom room. I just use my private room. Online meeting. Not want to turn on add online meeting because what that is going to do is create a Teams meeting link as well, and it's going to be sent to the family in their confirmation email. So they're going to have to choose, am I logging into Zoom for this or am I logging into this Teams meeting? Leave this off. Just pepper all the information with your Zoom link. Duration, I set mine to be 20 minutes long. I figured that out by taking 12 hours that were supposed to be available, divided by 32, number of students in my advisory. Each conference is going to be about 20 minutes long. If a conference goes long, I am planning on putting that family in a breakout room and then letting in my next conference so that family can finish. Buffer time, I said 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. Again, I just put in my Zoom link for any opportunity to get it pumped out. Maximum number of attendees, left it at 1 because I only want one family at a time to be able to sign up for the slot. If you put in 2, that you're allowing 2 families to sign up for 1 slot. All right, so save your changes. And then it will close out, and so then you have to click on Edit Service again to go to the next thing. Availability options. This is a really important screen. The most important one. Minimum lead time, I put that down at 0 because I don't care if a family signs up for their meeting up until the very last minute. I will be pleasantly surprised and I will deal with that. Availability. Reminder, you are sending a link out that is connected to your calendar, your Outlet calendar. So if you do not change this setting right here to say not bookable, what you are doing is you are inviting families to request a meeting with you for the rest of the school year on your Outlook calendar availability. So you want to say right here that you're not bookable. However, you do want to be bookable only for a specific date range. So after you click not bookable, you will see this option pop up, set different availability for a date range. And here's where you are going to put in your specific dates of availability. So our dates that were available are November 3rd through November 5th. And we have different times available each day. So Wednesday the 3rd, we're supposed to be available from 3 to 7. Thursday, November 4th, we're supposed to be available from 10 a.m. to 3. And then I'm going to add another one on Tuesday, or on Thursday, I added a plus sign and it opened up another time section, 5 to 7. So again, Thursday, we're 10 to 3, and then again from 5 to 7, you can click on that plus sign to add another time on a day. And then Friday, we're supposed to be available November 5th and from 9 a.m. to noon. Go ahead and pause this now if you need to get yours adjusted. So these are the dates announced by our school that were available that we are supposed to schedule our Zoom SLCs. All right, save changes. All right, edit service. Oh, actually, now would be a great time for you to go to your link, your hot live link, refresh it, and make sure that the only days available on this link that you're going to send out are indeed the ones that you wanted. So look at Wednesday, there they are. Thursday. Beautiful. So shows up as 20-minute increments. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go back and keep editing because there were some other options you could do. Man, my face really likes to be center stage sometimes. Okay, so then you go to assign staff. You already did that. You put you in there. Custom fields. I didn't want any barriers for families when that would prevent them, like that would require them to add extra information before they signed in. So I only said I wanted their email in order for them to sign up. Reminders and notifications. Here's where you can set up email reminders. And so one day before, I have mine set. And again, I'm going to put in the link here for the SLC template. So when families get the reminder, the SLC template's there for the scholar to work on. You can add more as well. Okay, the last thing I would do is I would book one on your actual sign up. So you can see the email confirmation that goes out to the family, and then you can also see how it is added to your calendar and it populates the calendar. So that would be the last step I would do as you're fiddling around with this. When you are ready to send this out to families, you're going to just take this link right here and you're going to copy it, and then you're going to put it in your message that you're going to send out to families with information about what SLC is, the information that the student needs to prepare ahead of time with the template, and then this link to sign up for your appointment. Enjoy.